He pulled her behind a large oak tree, whispering urgently, "Do you hear that?" Sarah nodded, listening intently. The barking continued. It sounded like a single dog at first, but then she could hear other noises too. Meows, the buzzing of insects, the clucking of hens, even a rooster crowing, all sounds of life, which meant one thing: they were definitely close to a populated area. Then Sarah gasped. She knew that road. It was the very same one they had been driving on earlier, before they got lost. So they walked towards the sounds until they came across the end of the road.